Hi, my name is Arnav Rastogi, Gurudev Pandey.
Prerna.
Akshay Nair.
Ananya Mohanty.
So, what makes SSVAP different from other photography institute in the country?
In SSVAP, there are many different kind of studios like the Daylight Studio, we have the Automobile Studio, Space Guest Lectures, and we also met like Sachin, so he is a famous wildlife photographer. We also meet Adnan Abidi, a photojournalist, and many other experienced photographers.
Faculty helps a student to build their knowledge from the basics of fundamentals to the advanced level of photography. Also, SSVAP offers students the field trip, so students can get a exposure of outdoor shooting also.
It's more practical than theory. If it is more theory, then I would have got it on YouTube or any short course.
How was your photographic experience during the Big One wildlife trip?
We got to shoot different types of birds and animals, and we went to the two places, grassland and bird sanctuary.
We got to see hyenas, wolves, fox, gazelles.
Can you give me one word that you would like to use to describe SSVAP?
Engaging.
Fantastic.
Impressive.
So I would say grateful that I'm here.
Exposure is the best word.